The West Bengal Human Rights Commission WBHRC has urged the state government to take action against Sandeep Ghosh, former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, over allegations of financial irregularities and morgue mismanagement. Ghosh, under CBI investigation, faces accusation of selling organs from unidentified bodies, with around 60 bodies per year going unaccounted for since the year 2021. Scrutiny increased after the rape and murder of a junior doctor last August, leading to claims of a necrophilia porn ring tied to Ghosh. Charges in the financial irregularities case will be framed today at a special court in Kolkata, alongside hearings on exemption petition filed by Ghosh and others. The All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO, a significant regional group, has called on the government to ensure that decisions regarding counter-insurgency operation and anti-extortion campaigns are made purely based on merit, without bias or partiality. AMUCO President Piroijam Nando Luwang, in a media address, acknowledged the positive efforts of both central and state law enforcement agencies in maintaining the rule of law, while emphasizing the importance of unbiased and fair decision-making in this sensitive matter. Gold prices in India surged to Rs 8,432 per gram today, up Rs 1,322 from 8,310 on February 4, driven by safe haven demand amid global uncertainties. Experts link the rise to increased demand after China's response to US tariff. Motilal Oswal Financial Services noted that US tariff is seen as inflationary, boosting demand for gold as a hedge against rising prices and geopolitical instability. 22-carat gold was priced at Rs 8,230 per gram, while April gold futures on the multi-commodity exchange reached Rs 84,200 per 10 grams. Silver prices remained stable at Rs 95,674 per kilogram, up Rs 1,400 for the week. Authorities confirmed the remains of all 67 victims from last week's mid-air collision between an American Airlines flight and an Army helicopter near Washington, D.C. have been recovered, with all being identified. The NTSB is reviewing new data that suggests the helicopter may have been at 300 feet, exceeding its 200-foot flight ceiling. Investigators need more information from the submerged Black Hawk to verify the data. Crews have recovered significant pieces of the jetliner from the Potomac River, including parts of the right wing, fuselage, cockpit, and tail. The Melbourne Renegades have strengthened their fast bowling attack for BBL Season 15 by signing Brandon Dockett to a 2-year deal. Dockett, who had previously played for the Adelaide Strikers, Sydney Thunder and Brisbane Heat, brings T20 experience and recent red ball success to the team. He becomes the club's second free agent signing following Jason Barantov's addition in the Big Bash inaugural player movement window.